Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Pavoni espresso machine after tightening the pace and doing a tune-up. And here is some of the parts get replaced. This is the gaskets from the tune-up, and there is some, like, I just throw the side glass inside, internal one that was because it's from yesterday. And after I finish, I noticed this thing was like small leak again. I replace it, and I also replace this thing for the steam valve, the whole steam valve. I just replace it after I this gasket, and it wasn't like satisfied. And also I did rewiring inside. This is going to the pressure stat. So let's go ahead and test it, make espresso shot on it. That's super fast because I lift it up for more than 4 seconds, and I'm using like just coarse grind, just like to show that the machine works. And let me test the steamer. That works well, no leaks, no nothing on the group head, and the base is actually it's tight. That's okay. I like always to test it this way. Always release it somewhere without. It's perfect. So the machine functioning perfect. Thank you for watching.